Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card. It is an absolutely gorgeous full floral background card. It's amazing, it's stunning, but most importantly, so easy to make. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. This is everything you need to make your card. I am going to move these and we're gonna fold and burnish our base card. This card is 5.5 by 8.5. I'm gonna score it at 4.25. Fold and burnish and put it aside. This is exactly 4.25 by 5.5, which is the full size of this card. We're going to design everything on this and then we're going to stick it on the card. What we're going to do is we're going to build our flowers right now. I am going to bring in something like this. It's a sponge, and I'm going to take my flowers and just round them. So I'm taking a ball tool and roll it in a circular motion, and that makes it rounded. That's perfect. It's more 3D that way. I'm going to do the same thing to all of these little ones. Now I'm going to stick all the flowers together and then we're going to design them on the card. Now that my flowers are finished, I'm going to bring in my card and I'm going to design the flowers on the card like so. So I like this up here. I like one kind of coming a little offset like so. I want another one almost like it's cutting off the flower on the side here. What you're trying to do is not make any of the flowers look as if they are perfectly in line with the other one. So you're designing it so it looks really nice like this. This is almost perfect here. Right, so I'm going to stick this down now exactly where I designed it. So that's 1, 2. I wasn't planning on putting one here, but I had to because of how it could cut off. Right, so this is going to be the design of our card. It looks gorgeous. It looks like a card full of flowers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut off the excess right now. That's amazing, and it's exactly how we want our card to look. So we want to bring up some of these things, make it look a little more 3D. Our sentiment today is going to go on the flowers itself like this. Perfect. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add maybe 1 or 2 butterflies to the card because they look so beautiful. I'm actually going to add some drops of glue on my card where I think these gems would look beautiful. We're not trying to overcrowd the card because it's already a very full card, and I'm going to drop these all over. This looks so amazing. I'm going to stick this on this now. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this. Now, listen, every single person I've shown this to has been like absolutely blown away by the design of the card. The white on white, the dewdrops, everything is just stunning, almost perfect. And this is really something I want to try, maybe making it like black on black or purple and purple. So this is definitely a card to play with.
You know we like to play with our paper. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. If you'd like to support my channel, you could simply buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com at Crystal Best. Thanks, guys. Bye.